how to speed Wi-Fi on your PC. So the first step that we want to do is we're gonna just go ahead to type to search for this PC. Okay, and as you can see right here, you're gonna click the right mouse and you're gonna just go ahead to the manage a section, and it will open a page just like this. Next step, you will just go ahead to device manager. Okay, and you will see all of these options, and we're gonna select the network adapters. Okay, next step, you will see the RALNIC, okay, and Wi-Fi adapter. In my case, I'm using Wi-Fi. Okay, and you will see that it says this device working properly, and you will see the events advanced in all power management. Okay, so we're gonna keep on just being on inside the advanced. Okay, and as you can see right here, the ADHOC support, and you will see the multimedia gaming environment, and radio on, radio off, and you will see the roaming sensitivity. Okay, and you will see it's been set on medium. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just leave it at high at least. So we're gonna just keep it at high, and this should help improve your Wi-Fi speed. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.